You haven't no rice. Willie is a bad boy. Wow. So I will now enter in a building of one Willie is cleaning. But you know what? Willie is a bad boy. This is a message for the good users. No entering in a building when Willie is cleaning. If you enter and not listening to me, can they kick you out? Oh my God. The president is now broken. So we have no rice. But if you don't listen to me, you cannot enter that building when Willie is cleaning. I will make a grounded video out of you. The Willie message is for all of the good users, including Justin the Bracer, Sky Dancer, Fly for me. So you know in the different building 50, which is a nice gallo, but this is a company with stupid to know. So you. It's only I'm recording. Yes. Goodbye. So now on. Hey. I get boy surgery, and my boss is not fully sedated. It's Brian. Brian is not look like very sedated. It's a normal boys from the 1980s from Go Anime and Go Anime for schools. It look like Ben's voice on the looks of a Super Bowl 51, but was Ben's first time while his voice is Brian. Yes, I could lift. Oh my God, he got to the top floor. Oh. Yes, he happened to the top floor. It can be very dangerous. The message of that Willie is when no enter in a building. When Willie is cleaning. It's also a message for my nice clone of me.
Y no abra la puerta en el 5 porque ahí se baja gente a ver si no ha subido. Si no entra otra vez a su casa.
No, he not entering in his house. He's to stop at the talking.
No chilles, no, ¿puede hablar más bajito?
No.
Habla más bajito.
No.
Pues no vamos a entrar a ningún sitio más. Ya está.
Why? Well, this means I have to change my boss to Scary Boss instead of Brian.
No chilles que sí está la persona.
Well, it's gone. It's so safe. And I don't want to change my voice to Scary Boys instead of Brian. Because it's my new voice. And it's also one of Benel's furious voices. Well, you know the ground floor.
Hay gente abajo, pero no venga.